Bradfield, this is just one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Well, let me make sure.
They can hear me talk about that. Okay.
All right, he's signed up.
Okay.
All right. Just one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Do you want to wait to speak to the city attorney when he comes in to see if there's anything that do for this matter, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, that will be fine, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put Ms. Little and Ms. Graham's stuff up there, and we'll wait for him to come in. Good afternoon, Counselor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Your client, Michael Overton.
That's correct. Standing in for Ty Perkins.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, what's going on, Mr. Boyd?
Okay,
Okay.
Nothing much. I'm all right.
here he is, Your Honor. Mr. Overton.
It's too big of a big shot to come in here, isn't it?
No, he's in federal court right now.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Overton, case number SP 1177147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeremy Bowie, PA 0657 on behalf of Mr. Michael Overton, who's present. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Very well. Good afternoon. So there's an offer here in the file, plead to the improper plate. That's a $240 fine. It's a 0-point offense. It is a misdemeanor, however, but it does not abstract to the Secretary of State and dismiss the other two matters. You can take that offer today. I don't have a city attorney in here yet, so if you wanted to try to negotiate something better, then you'd have to wait, or I can set a trial date for Mr. Overton. What would you like to do?
Your Honor, can we get another date in the interim? I spoke with Mr. Perkins. He stated that this case may need to go to another judge due to the apparent conflict of interest. So can we get a new date in a new court?
You want to put this in a new court?
Yes.
All right. Can we get a? They want to get a new court. That's my brother's case, and
You want a new judge? He wants a new judge.
okay.
So be it.
So what do we need to do with that?
I need to put it in the system and then take it to administration, and they'll be able to mail out. Is there a particular date we should put down on the file to have it see before a different judge? I don't know if they don't handle their own calendar or not.
Yeah, I don't know what we need to. I don't know about the date or anything. I don't think there's just any. It's not pressing to get this resolved right now, or they'll just have to wait whatever the court date the court gives them would be the next date, and then they can.
And they'll mail it out more than likely. They'll let them know. 'Cause I don't even know the judge, so I can't even tell them like what their dates are for each calendar.
So you want to just give them our pretrial date in January?
Absolutely, and if they want to change it, they can.
All right, I'm going to get you a pretrial date. We're just going to set a preliminary date. It may change when the new judge is assigned. So I have a pretrial date of January the 10th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. And then we'll get that paperwork in to see and get Mr. Overton a new judge.
Now, does he want to submit something, like, does he want to submit something, or should I draft it?
All right, can you submit a, some sort of recusal? Do we have a blanket form?
Not for, I've never seen them in traffic, but I'm sure they exist. I can look one up right now. If he wants me to email it to him later, I could do that.
Do you have some sort of form to do that? You do?
I don't have a form. I heard her say if she finds one, she'll email, but in the interim, I'll just draft the motion.
All right, do that for us, please.
Okay. I
Mr.
appreciate
Boyd.
it. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Overton, right now it's just set for January 10th, 2022 at 8:30, but when you get another judge, then you could possibly change that or keep that, or it may change, I don't know.
And who is he gonna send it to?
And can you send a motion to myself and or the court and to the city attorney?
Okay.
All right, very well.
Will do. Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
It's the only thing she has.
She said she doesn't drive, she cannot drive.
I'm saying, but this is
I
the
mean-
only ticket she has.
That's the only ticket she has, yes. This is the city of Detroit versus Kiera Elise Little, case number SP 11789-711. Ms. Little, you say you're not driving, huh?
No.
All right. We're gonna, you're gonna get a gift in September here, a Christmas gift in September, and the city attorney is willing to dismiss the matter, so
Thank you so much.
if it's nothing further, have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. Brown.
And there's one state matter in there, violation of basic speed.
Okay, you can take care of that. Ms. Graham and Megan LaBelle.
I'm here.
How are you? Ms. LaBelle? All right, let's go with Ms. Graham. This is the city of Detroit versus Darnisha Renee Graham, case numbers SP 1178143, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 121336001, SP 121438081, and SP 1214351. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Ms. Graham.
So there is an offer in the file to plead to one count of failure to display a valid driver's license, and then plead to the amended count of open intox passenger. That open intox passenger is a 2-point offense as the open intox driver. So you were charged with open intox driver. That's a misdemeanor 2-point offense. They only amended to open intox passenger, another misdemeanor 2-point offense. So I don't see where the amendment is, but Then the other ticket would be amended to, from no operator's license on person to a failure to display a valid driver's license. And that would be both $240 fines, so it would be $480. And then the other matters dismissed.
Your Honor, there's 3 on the docket, and I believe you named 3 more. What's the charges for the other 3 that's not on the docket? I know
Okay, so
it's
you
open.
don't see that, so I got so the 3 that are on the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So should be 7 because there's 1 in default, that's a disregard red signal. I will set that default aside, so Ms.
Thank you, Your
Brown
Honor.
that. Then the other 3, open intox driver, unsafe, driving in an unsafe manner, and unregistered untitled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, I'm sorry. Unsafe manner, open intox. Open intox,
That's fine.
so no, it's
Right now?
only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm sorry. So the 6, because you got another case up there that's in front of another judge. You got a disregard red signal, open intox driver, and driving in an unsafe manner.
Okay.
All right. So you want to speak with Ms. Graham in the breakout room?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Put you in the breakout room.
No, I need to locate. It's 1:36 this morning. This morning, which means before. Yep, once you end up with me, I can just put you up here and we can make it. So do you understand how to get connected now? Yes. And then you have to put this.
All right. Let's see what Ms. Lavelle has.
Yes.
Hi, Your Honor. I'm here.
All right, I need to see your face, ma'am.
All right, you're welcome. Okay.
There you are. Look at that big smiley face. Pearly whites. How are you doing this afternoon, Ms. Lavelle?
I'm finding yourself.
Very well, thank you. Okay. Do you have a driver's license, ma'am, or do you have insurance and registration?
Yes, I have the insurance, the registration, and the car. Well, of course, the car is titled if I have a registration. But yes, I have that. The only thing is I would have to screen share with you so that you can see the proof because it's digital. I don't have like an actual physical copy.
Can you email me that stuff? How do you screen share registration though?
It's in my picture, so I can just pull up the picture and share it, but I can also email it to you if you like.
All right. I'm gonna send you my email and see what you have to send me.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, I sent that.
Okay, I'm gonna email it to you now. One moment.
All right, really the offer here is plead to the tenant windows, $120 fine and dismiss that other stuff. But you know, you may be able to.
I also have a note for the tent for my daughter's disability, so I can send that too.
We'll send that too.
Okay, one moment.
Then.
Yes, I came prepared.
Right now. You can't. Yeah, so yeah, just want to call it here. I can make some.
Hey,
Yeah.
we're back on the record, Ms. Darnisha Graham. I've given you an opportunity to speak in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to avail herself of the offer. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, Ms. Graham. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give that trial right up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been placed in the record?
No.
Okay, Ms. Graham, let me draw your attention to March the 25th, 2021 at around 8:15 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Plymouth and Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And on that day, ma'am, were you, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Right.
And why is that?
I think I didn't have it on me at the moment.
Okay. But did you have a valid license at the time?
Yes.
Well, that makes the case for a failure to display. So I'll accept that, and I'll find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license. Let me draw your attention to January 18th, 2021 at around 11:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Nevada and Mount Elliott. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yes.
And on that day, were you in a 2014 Jeep? Were you the driver of the 2014 Jeep?
Yes.
And did you have an open container of alcohol in that Jeep?
Yes.
And how was how was the alcohol contained?
I think that was in there for days. It was a beer. I don't drink beer. I think it was a beer container in there sitting on the side.
Well, did it have beer in it, or was it empty, or what was it?
I think it was a little in there, I think.
All right. Well, that makes a case for open alcohol in a motor vehicle. So I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of open intox passenger. And I'm going to fine you $240 for that. With stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm going to dismiss all the other matters.
We so stipulate.
Very well. So Ms. Graham, when can you pay?
Can I get on the, how much do I owe?
It's gonna be $480.
Can I set up a payment plan?
No, I'm not gonna supervise the payment plan. You just supervise it yourself. I'll give you time. How much time do you think you'll need to get all this worked out?
Can I get 2 months?
Yeah, you can get 2 months. You have some other civil infractions that need to be paid as well, but I'm only concerned about the agreement that we entered into today. Pay by November 15, 2021. I'm gonna set that for a review.
Yes.
So I want you back on November 15, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. so we can see where you are, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, so.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
right, let's go to, all right, Ms. LaBelle, waiting on Ms. LaBelle. She indicates she has proof of insurance, proof of registration, and proof that tenant windows are legal on her vehicle for $8. And Ms. Lovett, I don't think that, you need to connect your audio, ma'am. You need to connect your audio. I got it. All right. I believe that's Ms. Lovett in there. I sent her a chat to connect her audio. So next we have Shannon Lucas. All right, 2 cases. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Shannon Brianna Lucas, case number SP 115-39701 and SP 115-39711. All right. For you, good afternoon. Ms. Lu- Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
I'm like Mr. Walling on these. What is it? 11 to 15 over. And so, leaving 69 to 59.
Do you want to, that is going to be my day back. That's what I want. That's how I'm shaking.
Ms. Lucas?
All right.
All right, how about,
Well, hold on a second. Let's see what Ms. Lucas has a license. She has my name. My name used to be Shannon as well. No, I'm not. Mine was SHANNON though. And
Yeah, my
then
mama.
my father didn't like me to have the name Shannon when I was born, so he changed it to Sean. But down at the health department is down there as Shannon. When I went to get my go get married, I had to get my birth certificate, and they couldn't find it. I'm like, Sean Perkins, Sean Perkins. They couldn't find it. They thought I was some kind of bastard child because they said that if your parents weren't married at the time, then it was going to be on you have to go to Lansing. I'm like, nah, my parents told me they were married. I don't think they were going to lie to me about that. And then I just told them, I said, hey, why don't you look up Shannon Perkins? And sure enough, it was under Shannon Perkins.
So how did it change back to Sean?
You know, it had it scratched out. It had Shannon scratched out and Sean written in there.
Wow.
You know, those were the old days.
Right.
The license is valid.
Since it's valid, give her black AB.
All right. So the offer today, ma'am, is a blocking traffic, $175 fine. So that's for the speeding. We'll dismiss the other ticket. You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yeah, that's fine.
It only comes with one caveat, and that you have to slow down.
Oh,
Can you do that?
yeah.
Can your client do that, Ms. Bradfield? I don't know if Ms. Bradfield's with us. I know she is. She just.
You know, she obviously gets to put her mic.
I still don't hear Ms. Bradfield. All right. So anyway, you want to take that deal? You got a right to a trial, and you have a right to speak with the lawyer.
Okay, that's fine. So they gave me 2 court dates. So in paying for the ticket, I don't have to go to the court date, right?
No, you don't have to go. We'll take care of that.
Okay, and I have one more question. Would I get any points?
No points. That's why we're giving you the blocking traffic. That's why you have to slow down, because you're getting a big time break here from a 3-point offense to a no point offense and no abstraction to the Secretary of State or anything.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine with me.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine? Yeah?
Now I do.
Now you do. You understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
All right. Has anybody offered you anything other than what I stated in the record?
No.
All right.
No, a lot. Yes.
No. You didn't. Nobody offered you anything else. I hope they didn't, because.
Well, not officially.
Who did somebody offer you?
So at the time when I got the ticket, I was an employee with the city, and the officer said he would throw my ticket up.
Oh, Shabazz?
Yes.
So do you want a trial date? So to see if we can hold his feet to the fire, he'll come in.
The trial date that they gave me was for July the 31st, but it was a 2031 on my paperwork.
Now the trial date will be January 10th.
Oh, okay.
You don't have any. You have a license, and it may save you $175.
Okay, well, we can do that.
All right, let's put it as a trial, January 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Zoom in on that time, okay?
Okay.
We'll put both of these to trial and formal hearing on that day.
Wait, both of them?
It's going to be, they're going to run along together. It's going to be just like today, so.
Okay.
The offer is still there.
And the offer's going to still be open anyway, but you have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose here.
Okay.
Only something to gain. All right?
Okay,
All
thank you.
Don't get any more kids.
Yeah, slow down though. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Now we have Mrs. Let me see if, I don't know if I'm getting my emails.
Randy, what was that trial date for? Ms.
January 10th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Ms. Lovett? You there, Ms. Lovett? You gotta unmute yourself.
Yes, I'm here.
There you go. Now, my mom never named me Dorothea, so you're not gonna get the same deal. No, I'm just messing with you. All right. Good afternoon, Ms. Lovett. Do you have insurance and registration, ma'am?
I do.
Is there some way you can prove that?
Yes. I don't know how to do it, but I got it. I went to the Secretary of State Tuesday.
Ms. Lavelle, have you sent that information over?
I don't know how to do nothing. Today was the first day I learned how to Zoom, and I got it right here, my insurance, and I got a new license plate and everything. I don't know how to send it over.
Let me see, what kind of car was that for?
It was a Mercury Mariner.
And that's what you got the insurance on?
Yes,
And then the plate, you got a new plate?
I got a new license plate as well, right here.
Sir, you're gonna have to pull over driving, sir. He's on the phone, he's on Zoom, he's not listening to me.
I am, me?
You didn't even put that plate on the car yet, did you?
No, I just got it Tuesday. But the car is broke though.
All right, well, you got a plate. All right, so we're gonna
Get the brakes fixed on the car.
Mr. Ryan's iPhone. Yes, you gotta pull over. I'm gonna put you off until you pull over. You call back in when you're not driving. All right, so let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Dorothea Lovett, case number SP 1180293, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Lovett, I'm gonna hopefully save you some money. You can spend this money on getting the car fixed because you got a nice new shiny plate and some insurance. And I know you're ready to get back on the road. So we'll dismiss both of these matters, but you provided valid documentation. All right?
Yes.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
You okay? You all right?
Yeah, I have anxiety real bad.
All right. Well, you don't have anything to get anxious over now. This is a happy moment.
I know I'm just.
I get to see that big old smile on your face because you get your cases tossed.
I thank you so much, but this was my first Zoom, and when I got the tickets, I ended up having surgery, and I could never go. I had a surgery on my stomach. I could never go get I could never go get it.
Well, that's why we're all about trying to be fair and reasonable. That's the whole part of this court here and everybody in here. So it's only fair that the most important thing is that you got insurance now, that you got yourself a new plate, but you got to go get that car fixed so you can hit the road now.
Yeah, to get the brakes fixed on the car. I couldn't drive it because the surgery was in my stomach and I couldn't put the seatbelt on, so I couldn't even drive it after I got the ticket.
So are you better now?
I'm better now. I had a hernia surgery and I couldn't do nothing for almost a year because I went back and they had to do the surgery again.
and now you learn how to Zoom today?
The
I
first
mean,
time I Zoom. It's the first time in my life. Like the lady had to tell me I had to call the court because I thought you guys would call me at 1:30 and the phone didn't ring. So I dialed the number that was on the back of the ticket and the lady told me how to do the Zoom.
See, we're gonna hook you up. Now this is neat. I remember when I was a kid, and let me see. You're a little older than me, just a little. I got brothers your age though. But when I was a kid, we heard that you're gonna be able to pick up the phone and watch somebody while you're talking. And I'm like, you remember that? I was like, yeah, they can't. How is that? That's impossible. They can't do that. And here we are. That was probably 40 years later. Oh, the Jetsons are coming too. But that was probably 40. This is probably 40 years ago that they were saying that, and here we are 40 years later, and we're talking to each other like on the phone, everything live and video and all that. So where we'll be in another 40 years, I can only hope that I'm here to see it.
I appreciate you so much. That means I don't have no tickets.
No tickets. All right, Miss Lovett. Very well. Thank you very much, and you have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
All right, I can remove you from the room.
Okay, because I don't even know how to do it.
All right, I'll remove you. I'll turn you off. All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You know who else had that? Star Trek. Remember Kirk would always be on his phone?
Tricorder, yeah.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tricorder.
Oh,
Yeah, you know the name of it, huh? Okay.
I'm a big Trekkie.
I'm not a Trekkie.
And even with iPads, that was on next generation. They had the iPads.
They had future back then.
Yeah.
We didn't even think that was gonna be a possibility.
And for the doctors who are making the scan, you not on our watches. So,
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm thinking they had it all along. They just slowly
They
letting
didn't,
it out.
yeah.
What's Miss LaBelle doing on this? What's Miss LaBelle doing with this documentation?
Oh, she didn't say.
I kicked Mr. Ryan out. He never called back.
There he is.
Hi.
Did you pull over, sir?
Yeah, I'm in the parking lot. I'm sorry about that. I didn't know.
I saw you in front of outside the court.
Yeah.
I hate that you had to make the trip all the way down here from. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Ryan Christopher Gray. Case number SP 100335551. Mr. Gray, I'm going to dismiss the matter because you paid 2 related civil infractions that went along with this case.
Okay.
So I'll dismiss it, and you're gonna owe a $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay.
All right, so
Do I
you
pay,
need to
did I pay it with you or Secretary of State?
You pay it with us, and you can pay it at any DivDav kiosk. You can come right back down to the court now and pay it. As a matter of fact.
Shouldn't have even left. Okay.
Or you can pay it at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org. Just give my clerk just a few minutes to enter that in the system.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. So I have all my clearances now. Am I clear?
Well, once you pay that $45, you'll be clear. We're going to put it in the system on our end, and you'll be able to pay that in a few minutes.
Okay. I appreciate it.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. We have, we're still waiting on those documentations from Miss LaBelle, and the longer we wait, I'm thinking, I don't know if Miss LaBelle has those. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Should be able to hear you, but I can't.
Put your volume up.
Can't hear you. He said, wait a minute. He said, wait a minute. That's one. I can't see that. Hold on. Hold on. Fix your volume, man.
Probably connect.
I'll tell you what, when you look at her picture here, now hang up and call back in. Hang up and call back in. When you look at her picture do you see her picture on the screen, Miss Bradfield? The still picture?
She had to take that virtual background off that make everything else in the background fuzzy. And that way, if she did that, we'll be able to see the her registration better.
Okay, but did you see her picture on the screen, that her still picture that she has? I guess that's just like a screen picture. She looks totally different from her actual self.
Yes.
You wouldn't know that was the same person. Maybe. She may be using someone else's phone. I don't think so, though. Because she's got her name attached going across and everything. I don't think so.
Wonder if that's my person.
Hmm?
Wonder if that's my person.
No, I don't wonder that. I just think that she's just got different looks. You always think of some nefarious stuff. I don't. She's got, that's her one style.
10 years of DVD. Got to be next book.
Yeah, but 10 years of DVD have your mind, not everybody's like that. Right, Miss Bradfield?
What'd you say?
Mr. Goss is over here, maybe that's not her. Maybe that's not her. I said, no, I don't believe that that's not her. I just think she has different looks. I said, you think everything nefarious is going on. He's like 10 years of DVD.
We have different looks. My hair
Right.
might be straight. Right now, I got braids with curls at the end.
I was gonna say the same thing, Miss Bradfield. You see a picture of me, I might.
They might jump on me now. Go ahead, Miss Dennis. You have to go ahead. Miss Dennis, go ahead.
You know what? That's only real. She needs that looks up in a minute.
That's his
But
job.
she definitely
Can
has
you guys
a
hear me?
We can hear you now, Miss LaBelle. Let's call her case before we lose you again. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Megan Sharice LaBelle, case number SP11-76061, counts 1 and counts 2. SP11-761-321. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, fire.
Yes.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss LaBelle. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Megan LaBelle.
All right. So, Miss LaBelle, we were just talking about how your appearance on this screen here is totally different. You do that on purpose, don't you?
No,
You
that's
gotta
the picture. I made this Google account when I was in high school, and that's a picture from. I haven't updated it since.
But it still looks totally different than what you look now. You got way different hairstyle. But anyway, you said that you were going to give us information. One, with
Yes.
and you had the registration posted up. Now, what I would suggest you do is I would suggest you turn the camera around and sit still on something, and you can put the registration there so we can read
Hold
everything
on.
that's on.
How do you stop? Something's going on where the camera is blurry. How do you stop that?
That would be something that Ms. Bradfield may be able to educate you on.
Background
You-
filters. Here we
You have
go.
a back,
Yep,
there it is,
there you go.
2004, now it's blurry. Hold on, you had it right anyway.
Turn
212,
around the other way.
21. All right, that's valid.
Okay.
And then I can share, let me share my screen with you all. I'm sorry, I'm gonna flip this around so you don't see my son's backpack. I'm gonna go to my Progressive app because you said you did not receive my email, correct?
I have not received your email. I don't know if that's because of my thing is messed up or what.
Okay, I'm gonna try to share content. Can you do that? Oh no, only the host can share in this meeting, so I can't.
Can you screenshot? Can you screenshot it and then email the judge?
Yeah, that's what I did. I did it that way. And I resent it directly from the Progressive website because I can email it. Can I try your email maybe, or?
Well, let's do that. Let's do this. What about the tenant window letter?
Yes, that's also in a PDF that I have from the doctor.
All right, let's see this. What is that? What is that? That email address you said, Ms. Nash?
Oh, yes, CTM.
CTM?
CTRM 434.
That
36 district.
Try this email address.
Okay.
That's not going to you.
I don't see it in the chat yet.
Yeah. There
Okay, I have it now. Copy. Okay. Let me know. I'm emailing it to you right now, so let me know if you receive it.
Very well. Yeah, you got it. Most people in this world are good people. Most people, 99, 90.
I think 95%.
I'd say 98% are good people. Those other ones, yeah, they probably have some things going on. But you, and being in DPD, you're only looking for the bad people. So that's why your numbers are a little bit skewed.
But if I can say 80%.
You wanted to.
No. I've become a committee.
Okay. I just sent it.
Okay, right here.
That's from the doctor.
Yeah, right here.
Who would be concerned?
I am right on behalf of my patient, Megan Bell. I am verifying that a driver of habitual passenger has a condition that precludes sun exposure. To minimize their exposure, the use of window tint is considered medically necessary. Please contact
Okay.
me.
And then the other one is the insurance
Yes, Your Honor.
for 2004 Acura.
Yes,
All right.
2004 Acura, yeah.
Very well. So I called the cases. Ma'am, I'm going to dismiss your cases. Of course, the city attorney wants to tell you something that may help you in the future. You want me to tell her or you want to tell her? All right. He says, keep that letter in your vehicle so it can stop you from having to deal with getting pulled over, because I imagine you probably just got pulled over for the window tint. I don't know. It doesn't say you
I
were speeding.
just picked the car up when the officer pulled me over. I just purchased the car and I didn't get an appointment or anything with the Secretary of State yet. Like literally just left the meeting point from picking the car up. I tried to explain that to the officer. He told me that it was a waivable ticket, so just come with my proofs and you guys will throw it out.
And that's what it is. No plate on vehicle, no insurance, had undated title, states she bought the vehicle a few days ago, but had no proof, had tendency. The story changed a little bit from you just picking up the car, and now he's saying you bought it a few days ago. But we're not gonna get into the nuances. The cases are gonna be dismissed. And if there's nothing further, Ms. LaBelle, you have a very good day, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right, that seems like it'll do it.
All right.
Thank you, Ms. Bradfield, and thank you, Mr. Williams Law.
You're
You
welcome,
guys,
Your Honor.
you guys missed lunch today. But next time,
Right. You all enjoy the rest of your day.
you as well. We'll see you later.
Okay.
See you
Bye-bye.
Your Honor.
All right, have a good one.